In today's video, we'll be going over electron configuration. But before we start, feel free to visit our website linked in the description below to download your own version of the worksheet that corresponds to this video. You can work on it in real time as we go over the problems. Now let's get back to the video. First things first, the periodic table will be essential for figuring out the electron configuration of an element. By looking at the periodic table, we can see the division of the s orbitals, p orbitals, d orbitals, and f orbitals. The order of the orbitals is important. We can also notice that the numbering of the electron configuration is based on the periods, also known as rows, in the periodic table. One way to keep track of the orbitals while writing the electron configuration is to make this staircase. This electron configuration staircase consists of all the possible orbitals. You can cross them out diagonally based on the amount of electrons that fill each orbital row. These tools can be applied to our examples. Now, let's try to find the electron configuration for carbon, located here in the p orbital. We can see that to get to carbon, we go through the 1s orbitals, 2s orbitals, and 2 of the 2p orbitals. To write the electron configuration, we write the number of the period next to the orbital type and an exponent to represent the number of electrons in that orbital. Here is the full electron configuration for carbon. Now, let's try to write the electron configuration for cobalt, located in the d orbital. We can see that to get to cobalt, we go through the 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, and 7 of the 3d orbitals. This is the full electron configuration. We can also write electron configuration in another way called the shorthand form. To do the shorthand electron configuration, we write the initials of the nearest noble gas in brackets, located here on the rightmost column, and then we write the rest of the electron configuration of the last row, ignoring the orbitals before the noble gas. In this case, our nearest noble gas to cobalt is argon, so we would write Ar in brackets and then continue the electron configuration as normal. For our last problem, let's try to write the electron configuration of bromine in the shorthand form. Bromine is located here in the p orbital. To get to bromine, we go up to the 4th row of the periodic table. Like with cobalt, our nearest noble gas is argon. We then continue writing the configuration as normal. Now you have the knowledge to write any electron configuration of any element. Keep learning, keep exploring, and let's make a difference together. See you all in the next video.